Okay, got a new purple mattress. This is the original. This is a king size. And you're gonna unwrap it. And there we go. King size mattress. And that's what it looks like. Lay on it. Has good support. Nice and firm, and this is what it looks like when you push your hands into it. And this is a king size. Want to make sure you have a good base. But this is what it looks like. Looks like it's going to be a great night's sleep.
And since making this video for this purple king-size mattress, I've been able to sleep on it for a good week and a half, and this mattress has been awesome. Really have been able to sleep throughout the whole night, have not tossed and turned as much, and this has been a great sleeping mattress. And the king size has been great, and it's nice and firm and padded and cushy all at the same time, so can highly recommend this mattress.